This is a quick demonstration of the item editor splash screen as of version 8.5. So I'm going to go into the item editor. Keep in mind the item editor will eventually replace the product manager. So when you enter the item editor, you come to this thing that we call the splash screen. You'll note now in version 8.5 you have a checkbox that allows you to skip the splash screen and go directly into the item editor where you can type in a product and bring that product right up. But there are some advantages and features in the splash screen that I'd like to bring to your attention. First of all, the ability to search by barcode, description, bin location, and also a new feature allowing you to select active items only. I'm going to start by unchecking that. I'm also going to start by selecting description, and I will then type in my Lanta. I can hit enter or click on search. I'll hit enter. It's now searching all of the Mylanta in my system. You can see there you have the report description, the bin location, the regular retail, the fine line, the on hand, the vendor, cost, whether it's active or not, and whether it's an online item. If you click on this button, select columns, you can make changes. So for instance, if you do not sell any items online, you can simply unclick the online checkbox and that will go away when we click OK. You can also select any of these other columns that we're currently not showing in my demo. I'm going to click OK and the online column goes away. Now if I only want to look at active items, I can click on active items only and click search again. It will update the search and just show me the active items. You can see in this situation that I have the bin location of 0103 on all my items, and my fine line looks good on all of my items. Now let's type in Tylenol, click search, and you'll see that I have Tylenol. Two of the items don't have a bin location, and one of the items has a wrong fine line, 9999. Some of you are very familiar with this. We can come to the fine line field and type in or look up. If you want to look up, we can click on the dots, but I know that this fine line is N0120, so I can type in N0120. I can tab out of there or click to another field and it will automatically update. So you can do inline editing here. Now, you can update cost fields. You can't change the vendor, but it tells you up in the top of the screen. So if you need to change the vendor, you'll need to go into the item by clicking the hyperlink, and that'll take you into the item editor. So let's look at each of the fields that we can update. We can update the description, we can update the bin location, the regular retail, the fine line, the on-hand quantity. We simply can't change the vendor, and we can also inactivate the item from here. Now we can get rid of Tylenol. We'll come to the departments. You notice that we can search by department, category, fine line, and or vendor. I'll come here down to HBA, click search. Now it's going to find all of the items in my item file that are active and that are in the H department. Do the same for category, fine line, or vendor. And that's it for the features of the splash screen. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to contact our support team. Thanks, have a great day.